Good morning. Today we are going to perform an experiment for class 10th biology whose aim is to show that carbon dioxide is evolved during respiration. We are going to take materials. First of all, we need the germinating seeds. I have taken bean seeds which have been sprouted for last 2 days. They are living material and actively respiring. Next, we need potassium hydroxide pellets. They absorb carbon dioxide. We will need colored water in a beaker. Apart from that, we need a conical flask to put our seeds, a small test tube in which we will place KOH, and we will need a thread to hang the test tube in the conical flask. We will need Vaseline to make the whole apparatus airtight, and a double bend tube for letting the water rise in it. Here is the apparatus which have been set with the materials. As you can see, there are germinating seeds inside the flask, and we have a thread in which a small test tube containing KOH is hanging. We have put a cork on the conical flask, and you can see very clearly the Vaseline has been applied on it to make it airtight. The double bend tube is connecting the conical flask with the beaker containing the colored water. This is, we just started. Now, after some time, we are going to find out the changes that take place in this apparatus. You can see the rise of water in the double bend tube. After about an hour of starting the experiment, it indicates that there is a vacuum created inside the conical flask. So the reason behind it, that whatever oxygen is present inside the conical flask has been used by these germinating seeds for their respiration, for their aerobic respiration. In turn, they are producing carbon dioxide which has been absorbed by the KOH present in this small tube, and as a result there is a partial vacuum created in the conical flask to take the place, to balance the gases. The gases will try to come through this tube, but there is water here, so gases can't enter, but water can enter. So the colored water is entering through this double bend tube, and it is coming right till here. Children, can you see very clearly? There's a meniscus here. So that shows that how carbon dioxide is being evolved, which is being absorbed by KOH, while oxygen is going to be utilized by these seeds, the germinating seeds, proving our aim that carbon dioxide evolves during respiration. Thank you.